One of the things that's great about a downturn is that a younger group or a new investor group gets to buy quality, great companies, sometimes at a big discount, and they can build wealth through the price appreciation. When stocks are hitting new all-time highs all the time, it's difficult to do that. If someone were newish to investing and you received $10,000 just for investing, what would you do? What would you buy? How would you do it? I'll go with you, Jeff, first, and then Kevin.
I would mix it up. I would start getting long names like Starbucks that I like here. I would start buying things like Uber on the bet that they won't be getting sued by the government every few weeks. And I'd add some riskier names that I don't think are going to go bankrupt. Some of these companies that have seen their stocks absolutely poleaxed, like the Real, which is a $5 absolute garbage name given up for unbelievable dead. They've got Chewy that is not going away no matter what happens with people's dogs. Names that kind of play out if they get to bet on America. That's been really good advice for a really long time, and this is one of those opportunities to do it. Is that going to work out for them in the next 6 months? I don't think the companies are going bankrupt, depending on how hard a recession we put ourselves into. They may or may not, but I know their stocks are going to give them the best kind of return as we put in a bottom. And again, I think putting in a bottom is just a matter of stop hammering our foot in the door every 10 seconds.
And Kevin, what about you?
I do what I always do. I wouldn't do anything right now. We're on this DMZ at 480, and I just went through 4,600 ETFs. I own 7, but I would certainly stay tuned here, because the first time I say short the Mag 7 in earnest, not just avoid them and sell them, but short them, you're going to hear it here. And I'm real close to that, by the way, so I'm teasing that a little bit. But the S&P looks like it wants to go down, but I'm going to wait to see their whites of their eyes. I have very little confidence in my macro opinions because the market doesn't care. I've never seen an economist really make money in stocks. I'm sure there's 11 someplace over the annals of history. But so to answer your question specifically, I wouldn't do a darn thing. I'm looking at shorting the Mag 7 would probably be my next one, and I'll let you know when I do that.